Positive attitude is what we've got.
Positive attitude is what we've got.
My creative mind is so hot.
My creative mind is so hot.
Listening and talking, join the dots.
Listening, talking, join the dots.
Organisation is the tops.
Organisation is the tops.
4 skills and many more.
4 skills and many more. Entrepreneurs, we know the score! Hello, boys and girls. I'm Wil.
And I'm Mel.
Some of you may have already met us.
And some of you may not have met us, so hello.
Hello, we are entrepreneur champions.
And we have a challenge for you.
Which is why we're outside the Senedd where it all began.
But now it's time to move into the digital world.
We are here to encourage you all.
Including you and you and you.
To explore, discover and find the entrepreneur within yourself.
Entrepreneur.
What is an entrepreneur?
Well, entrepreneur is a French word, but the dictionary defines it as a person who organises and manages a commercial undertaking, especially one involving commercial risk.
Did you get that? Well, I think an entrepreneur is a person or a group of people that works together to create, organise and sell an idea to make a better future for themselves and others.
Like people do in the world already.
Yeah, like Mia, the mechanic, fixing cars.
Oh, and Zach Flowers, decorating weddings.
And coffee and cake in Jack's Caff. We will
And Mel.
want you to find your talent in business.
And we have a competition for you. Everyone in a primary school in Wales can enter.
We want you to come up with a business idea and put it into practice.
Some of you are doing this already by running a tech shop or a stall at a summer or winter fair. But what else can you do?
Being a digital competition, perhaps you could explore digital ways to create your business.
Perhaps a electronic newsletter or magazine.
You could keep people up to date with your progress and build interest in your product this way too.
Or maybe a local website of the community that you can advertise. Yeah, or even ask for help.
Well, yes, you can never be afraid to ask for help. You could ask your local businesses for advice on your enterprise.
Will.
Mel.
You could create a promotional film like we're doing for the competition, only you could promote your business ideas.
Mel, you are a legend. Excellent idea. You could even create your own online advert. Your ideas, your business, your way. Nothing is impossible. Think big.
Make a rocket.
Think small.
Make a mouse.
All ideas are worth exploring and developing.
Here are some clips from some previous entries over the last 6 years.
Perhaps they'll inspire you and ignite an idea to create your own business.
What are the rules, Will?
You can compete on your own or as part of a team with your friends or your brothers and sisters, as long as you're all aged 5 to 11 years old.
Oh, you could have your own team name, like the Pouncing Pandas or the Graffiti Group.
Excellent idea, Mel.
Hang on, Will. What if there's a lot in the group? You know, like a class in a school, or like an after-school club, or a sports club, or a singing club.
They can compete as long as everyone is aged between 5 and 11 years old and are living and are going to a primary school in Wales they can be a part of the competition. But remember, to have a large group of people is harder to organise and manage.
The theme is up to you. So create a business idea or a money-making idea and put it into practice. Good luck!
To compete, you need to register first and then send in your completed idea by the closing date. The sooner you register, the more chances you will have to win some of the monthly spot prizes.
Prizes? What do you need to be an entrepreneur?
Do you know? Well, let us introduce the Enterprise Troopers with their advice on the skills you can gain by joining this exciting new competition.
This is Amy. She has a positive attitude. Nothing is impossible and all ideas are worth exploring. If you're feeling down, confused or stuck in a rut, then Amy can help you find the positive attitude that you have within yourself to move forward.
Here's Callum. He has some crazy, wacky ideas. His creativity is endless. He's great at thinking of different ways to present an idea. Need a creative boost? Then Callum's your man to fire the imagination you have inside you.
Here's Rhian, Queen of relationships and networking. She'll find the right person for the right job, willing to talk to anyone and listen to their input. Communication and connections are key to business, and Rhian can help you put these skills into practice.
This is Owain. He can organise anything, anywhere, anytime. He can solve a problem and logically sort any project. Don't know where something goes? Ask Owain, he'll know. Can't find something? Owain will know where it is. A place for everything and everything in its place. That's what Owain will share with you.
Yay! Amy, Callum, Rhian, Owain, your Enterprise Troopers. These guys travel everywhere to help out young entrepreneurs like yourself to take the first step, initiate and achieve their goals.
Do some of you think that you're a bit like Owain, but at the same time, a bit like Rhian? Or perhaps you're a bit like Amy, with creativity like Callum? Well, we know that we all have these 4 attributes, these 4 skills of a positive attitude, creativity, relationships and organisation.
So, to be a part of the Enterprise Troopers digital competition.
Step 1. Get a team together of 5 to 11-year-olds.
Step 2. Create a fantastic, good vibe, positive team name. And Amy will be given an award to the best team name.
Ooh! Step 3. Register on www.enterprisetroopers.com as soon as possible for more chances to win that monthly spot prize. You don't have to have your business idea completed to register. Just tell us a little bit about the idea and send us a photograph so we can share it on the Enterprise Troopers gallery.
Step 4. Create an idea. Sell something, think outside of the box, work together and have fun.
Step 5. Send in your completed business idea by the closing date. Dun, dun, dun.
For more guidelines, the closing date and any help, check out the website www.enterprisetroopers.com.
Here you'll see all the rules and a list of all the prizes.
Oh, and there's plenty of top tips from Amy, Callum, Rhian, Owain, your Enterprise Troopers.
Plus there are more clips of previous winners and let them inspire you to join this exciting new competition.
Combine your talents, find your strength, encourage your confidence, and perhaps you could be the next
Entrepreneur of the Year.